If you want to download Geometry Dash on your PC but aren't sure which website to trust, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through the official installation process step by step so you can start playing without any hassle. Let's get started. Now, open your web browser, go to Google, and search for Geometry Dash on Steam to avoid fake download links. Click the official Steam link. Here's a critical warning. Always check for store.steampowered.com in the URL to avoid fake download sites. Click the Install Steam button at the top of the header, run the installer, and set up your Steam client and account. Here's a pro tip. Use a strong password and enable SteamGuard for extra security. Open the installed Steam application, log in, and navigate to the Store tab. Search for Geometry Dash in the search bar and select the game. Here's a quick heads up. Geometry Dash is a paid game on Steam, so you'll need to make a purchase. Scroll down, click Add to Cart, and proceed through the payment checkout steps. Keep an eye on your email for the receipt confirmation. Go to your Library tab, select Geometry Dash, click Install, and once finished, click Play.